So you're also making candles for tonight?
Yes.
Is that for real?
Yes.
Is that
I'm a little crafty. I love to do little craft creations, especially for table settings. It's your heart and just expressing yourself and making the meal more of a enjoyable experience, I think. It's not enough just to make the meal. You have to make it pretty. Jonathan brought me these table legs and we said we're gonna make candlesticks out of them. Jonathan's the best assistant. He's also very crafty. He's the perfect accomplice. Little handmade gestures are always welcome. You can make it very playful, you can make it very elegant. There's so many things you can do. Look at these little things. I really love it. So we're gonna have some fun. Well, we're creating our own outdoor chandelier. It's a fun way to have flowers and candles on a table without having flowers and candles on a table. We have a lot of wildflowers and we have a lot of dried flowers around, so I figured we could incorporate them into a frozen ice bucket for the table. You put a bunch of dried flowers in it and you freeze it, and there you go. I love the idea of natural dyes. So we're gonna do some flour pounding into these beautiful linens. Hammer away.
Therapy.
I really believe in a beautiful tablescape and beautiful crafts and, dried flowers and candles. The ambiance is really important. I've learned so much today, my head's gonna burst.
Skills to pay the bills.